Hello, this is Dr. Joe with PostureRay. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys just real quickly, a real quick short video on how computer vision works and streamlines your workflow. So when your staff is loading the x-rays during that import phase, what you're going to do is you're going to basically have them crop down the image and then put a bounding box around the areas that we teach you in the tutorials. Now, this is not a tutorial, and I'm assuming if you're already watching this video, you already have PostureRay, you just haven't upgraded to these new features that are included with a technical support plan. So let me show you how quick and efficiently this aids in your assessment time. So I've already loaded these x-rays, but you would do this during the import phase. And the idea is you do this all the way through and do all the computer vision ones, set those, and then do the APs. The AP x-rays do not yet have computer vision. Computer vision is enabled for lateral cervical flexion, lateral cervical extension, the lateral thoracic, which boy, that's a tough one to do. We had to train the model a lot of times on lateral thoracic, and the lateral lumbar. Okay, the APs and the other views you're still going to digitize manually, but man, this saves so much time. So let me show you why. So in this first one, I'm just going to go ahead and do the demo and let you watch it in real time. So basically your staff's going to be taught to put this yellow bounding box around C1 to C7, click OK, and then move on to the next x-ray. There you go, it's done. Let's move into the lateral thoracic. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Again, I'm going to choose T1 to T12. Obviously, it matters on the x-ray that you're looking at. And then we're going to go ahead and do the lateral lumbar. So I'm going to go ahead and do the lateral lumbar as well, L1 to L5 on this one. You'll still have to digitize the other levels as well too. And then if you come in, look, I've already done the other x-rays. When I open up those x-rays, I've manually digitized and imported those. But if I go back to the lateral thoracic, it's done. Lateral lumbar, let's see how we did. Not bad, right? So do you think that would speed up your workflow? I certainly think so. So on this now, you as the doctor, you're going to go in and double check your work, just like if your CA did this. You're going to treat this as a CA and say to yourself, I need to move this dot up just a little bit. I'm going to move this anterior tubercle down just a little bit. Move the ADI space up a little bit. This one's a really tough x-ray, so I'm happy that it did this well. So on that, just go ahead and double check the work. That looks great. And lateral lumbar, right? And of course you would do your AP. So on lateral lumbar, let me just bring this up a smidgen, right? So do you think that would streamline your workflow? A lot of people think so too. That's why it's so popular to use our patented algorithms within PostureRay. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to support@postureray.com. Thank you.